students. Welcome to another episode of English on Air. I'm Teacher Anna, your fantastic study buddy. Together, let us learn how to navigate a website through different examples. So what are we waiting for? Let's start!
For this lesson, you will learn how to identify essential features of website navigation and apply the importance of the features of website navigation. Today, let us take a look at the website of the Department of Education. In order for you to go to that site, first, you have to use Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox. These are what we call web browsers. It is a computer program that lets people access the content of a website. Second, you may type Department of Education on the search box or type deped.gov.ph on the address bar. On the other hand, the address bar shows the address of the current page. This is where you will also type the website or the URL you wish to go to. URL is the acronym for Uniform Resource Locator. And on this website, you could see texts that are in blue font or are underlined. Means that you can click it and it will direct you to a new web page or document. This is what we call hyperlink. For example, you could click the open resources on this website and it will lead you to different resources that could help you in your studies. A group of hyperlinks that will lead you to different pages of the current website is what we call navigation bar. An example of that is this.
Now, we want to know more of the essential features of website navigation. We have invited an IT expert to explain how to use the other functions of web browser, such as primary navigation bar and secondary navigation bar, menu, sitemap, and breadcrumb trail. He is Benedict Reich. He is a project manager of a telecom company. So before we start, could you tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Benedict Reich, and you could just call me Ben for short. And I've been working in the IT industry for over 13 years now.
So navigation bar could be primary or secondary. So what is its difference?
Yeah, so the primary and secondary navigation bar simply contains links that directs the user to the specific section or pages that they want to visit on the website. The main difference is that the primary navigation bar contains links to the site sections, while the secondary navigation bar contains links to the pages within that site sections.
So for example, on the site of the Department of Education, the primary bar contains the most important topics and secondary bars show options only for the part of the website. So from the navigation bar, we also have this what we call menu. So what it is all about and where it is usually seen?
Yeah, so the menu is normally within a horizontal or vertical bar that provides you with options for the links that you want to visit on the website.
So aside from this, we also have what we call header and footer. So what is the difference between the two?
Yeah, so the header, this primarily identifies the website that you visit. So it usually contains the logo of the company that owns the website. While the footer, it just often contains some side notes or additional links that you could visit.
Going back to the website of DepEd or Department of Education, the header is where you will see the logos and the important topics. On the other hand, footer is where you will see other links such as other government links. So lastly, could you please tell us what is the sitemap and breadcrumb trail?
Yeah, so the sitemap, as the term implies, it's like a map that tells you the different sections and segments of the website. While the breadcrumb trail, from the term itself, it's taken from the story of Hansel and Gretel. So it shows you where you are on the specific, on which page you are in the specific website. So it contains, for example, it contains a hierarchical list of the pages that you have visited within the website so that you could know where to go back.
An example of that is this. It shows a row of links that tells the users where they are on the site. Thank you for your knowledge and insight about navigating a website. And aside from this, what tips and values do you want to impart to our students on how should they navigate a website?
Yeah, so I think the only thing that I could advise our viewers is that in viewing the websites that they visit, they should always exercise discretion. Information that we have on the web is very abundant and it's raw. So it could be used either for good or for bad. So it's always a good practice to exercise discretion in whatever website that they visit.
We have learned a lot from our guest, and I know you are now ready for Minute to Win It. Here is a screenshot of a website. All you need to do is to identify the different navigating website features. You have 1 minute to do it, and your time starts now.
Here are the answers.
As we learn how to navigate a website, let's always be responsible users by being mindful of the websites we are navigating. That's it for this lesson. This is Teacher Anna, your phonetastic study buddy. See you on the next episode of English on Air.